And what we're going to do is create a place here on this wall. Oh, jeez. That was... that did not work. Welcome back to Deliberate Lives. I'm Di, and we're working on a project to wrangle this set of hole saw bits for the drill press and drills. And what we're going to do is create a place here on this wall where they can all hang up nicely and be labeled so we know what's there. Okay, so we got to put ones across the top, so that's 13 and a half. This one's 14 and a little more than a quarter. So I would say 5/16. 14 and 5/16. 13 and a half, 14 and 5/16. And that one's exactly 14. So 14 and 5/16 and 13 and a quarter. I did 13 and a quarter instead of 13 and 3/4. Oh, bracket moved. That's okay. Bracket. Here we go. Good. Another screw. Put it in that one over there. Lost screw. Okay, and then the one up into there, hopefully the board doesn't split. Because that one's kind of a dry board. Been out in the weather. We'll see. Aha! First bracket in. Oh, jeez. That was... that did not work. Let's try again. Gosh, now it's stuck in there. Screw. I mean, that's what this is all about, us learning how to be construction people. I think I got it wrong. Nope. There we go. one in there before. There we go. Yeah, board flush. 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 Let's flush. Okay. Now, go with this one first. I really like these screws because I learned the other day that it's because of the part at the top that has no thread, that it pulls the boards together, or pulls the bracket and the board together. Did not know that. Anyway. I was watching YouTube about screws. Can't believe I'm being educated about screws on YouTube. Oh, shoot. That didn't go so well. Oh, come on. But should pull it back down. Yep. See, it just pulls it right back down because of that little bit of thread missing. So, yay, they're in. Cross beams. I gotta put now boards on each side of these, so there's just a little bit more width for the things I'm gonna put on it to tie into. I'll forget it. It's good enough. Because see what happens is I chewing up the bit, so it's rounding the bit off when I do that. And Michael's like, "You're going through bits pretty fast." Yes, I am. All right, that's it. The support are all up. Hey, okay. What we're doing is putting a bolt with a washer on one side, another washer on the other side, and then a nut. And that's going to be what we hang our bolt rod on. They are bolts. Can't really know if you can see them really, but think it matters.
No. If you want, we can try trimming it up. Line it up. No, have it slip down just a little. Right there. Okay, and lift up a little.
I can't.
Yeah, hold up with the.
Okay, that's as far as it goes. You can't go.
Okay.
It's off, right? Because I'm going to start the generator.
That's. Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go with that.
Okay. Alright, let's hang the rest of them up. Yeah, we just need to get labels on the board. And we're doing a shelf over here for the, what are those things called even? I don't even
The
know.
mandrels.
The mandrels.
You know what? I want to be done.
It's looking good. You just want to see, that's the way I am. Okay, the hole saws are done, except labeling. We're gonna label them, but there they are, all hanging up. And then the, what are they called?
Mandrels.
Mandrels are here. And then there's the drill press, so it's already nicely organized. I got the labels on. So this project is officially finished.